Hello everybody, my name is Marike and today I want to show you how to do a flow analysis using our 4D Flow application. On my screen you see that I have preloaded the 4D Flow dataset, and by selecting it and launching QFlow 4D, I am opening and starting my 4D Flow application. So if we have a look at the screen, we immediately see that here we have quite some noise in the image. That is because of the free breathing during the sequence. With our noise removal button, I can get rid of this noise. On top of that, there is something else I want to do, is whenever you take a flow sequence, you will have a gradient over your image, causing an offset in your velocities. To correct for this, I am launching the offset correction algorithm developed by Medis. So now let's have a look at the different views that we have. First of all, here in the lower right corner, we will have a 3D view of my image with a speed overlay. With the mouse, I can rotate and navigate myself through the volume. Besides the speed overlay, by clicking on it, I can switch through the different options that we have. So we also have some streamlines, vectors overlays as well. For now, I will go back to the speed overlay. So here we have 3 images with the blue border, red border. These are 3 perpendicular planes inside of your 3D volume. And using those crosshairs, I can define a nice plane for my 2D flow analysis. So what I will be doing is I will be moving my crosshair inside of my region of interest, and I will make sure that this green line is perpendicular to my region of interest. I do this for the lower left image, and I will also do this for the upper left image. So move it into the region of interest and also make sure it's perpendicular. In this data set, and we can especially see this from this face image, is that we have a Venk aliasing artifact, which we can see from this white signal into the face image. Luckily, we have implemented a method which allows you to correct for this in the post-processing, and that is the face unwrapping method. The face unwrapping method will adjust the Venk to make sure we don't have the artifact anymore. And as you can see, the algorithm is now finalized. We do not have the artifact present in my face image anymore. If I'm satisfied with the location, by placing the crosshairs into the correct position, I can go to the 2D Flow application using this button. In the 2D Flow application, I need to provide a single click inside the region of interest to get an initial contour, and I can propagate this contour using the Auto button on the right. Now I am ready to have a look at the graph results, and in the graph results, in the entire data set, also with some quantitative values. I can take a screenshot to add this to my report. So now let's have a look into the report. We can see that at the position we have defined, we have all the quantitative values, including this screenshot. What is the benefit about the 4D Flow application? Because when I move my crosshair, I can define any position I want to evaluate the flow. So based on this fixing of the crosshair, I can define any position, and I can define the 2D flow in any position inside of my dataset.